y'all doing?
Hi.
Are we excited?
Yeah.
Okay, so everyone was provided 2 models and we'll give you a theme. I know last year if you were here, this table was full. Y'all each brought a bag for supplies, makeup, and your tools, correct? Correct. And after 5 hours, and we'll head over to Frank's studio for your photos. Last year I know there was a lot going on with the tables. This year we kind of wanted to give you a little bit more free reign with it, so we just kind of gave you one thing plus your $100 gift card. At 11 o'clock, everyone will be able to come over to this table and grab whatever they want. Everyone's backdrop will be the same. This is your backdrop. Okay.
Love it.
All right. Your theme and color scheme, and these are what you need to be using, is this. Right? There it is.
Okay.
Do whatever you want. Beautiful, gothic, bridal, avant-garde, whatever you decide.
Gosh, I love it.
I noticed last year a lot of teams decided something and then it changed dramatically because nobody was paying attention to what was happening. I felt with my team, I grabbed head sheets and we mapped everything out at the beginning, right? So you have 2 head sheets here, map out your hair, your makeup. That way everyone's on the same page since you only have 5 hours. You will get a $100 gift card for anything that you need. You can run out and grab it. All right, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, consult with your models as to what they're willing to do, where they're willing to go with it. We have lashes over here for you guys, and then we have some accessories that y'all can use, play with. Get started.
You can flip it to black and white.
Then we can kind of see if we like
We can decide.
Yeah.
So our theme is obviously floral.
Green with the white with the floral.
Yeah, at the top. That's the backdrop.
Was that, or we can drape it where it goes over, like, so instead of that top, it's the hair, and like
Okay.
incorporate
some of these into this.
Yeah.
So do we agree on this, the first one? Okay. Do you want me to make notes?
It's just getting that touchable.
If someone can do a tight twist like that, that would look really
Cool. It almost looks like a skeleton.
This is what we're doing.
We should get some hanging downs like this, the flower hanger. I think I'm gonna put some lights around it. Like this is the center of the flower and then the light.
I have floral dresses in my car too, so if we needed like floral or anything like that, even some lace adding in like for textures and stuff like that would be really cool.
So I think it's almost gonna be like, and I have like this yellow liner, maybe we can just accent certain things, and like the white and like the yellows and stuff, because then I can go like.
We do, but this is my first year too.
Yeah, I'm excited. This is awesome.
Her hair?
Yes.
I like adding a bunch of her. It's like tie-dye?
Yeah, I guess so. I just want to see what would happen if we put like patterns in it instead of one solid color. Yeah.
waste with that? Do you, because that was one thing that we were talking about doing was like, kind of like, we laid them around, and if you had that rounded one.
Even if we did like
Find rings and we'll spray paint
we can
orange.
spray paint it.
Yeah.
So Michael's has these rings like crazy.
I just think we need one piece of it. Because if we do too
Yeah, we
much
don't want
metal,
too much.
it's gonna be more like what industrial was last year.
How long does spray paint take to dry?
It doesn't take long at all. So
Are we still looking for like 70s, 60s, like butterfly?
yeah, I've got butterflies on there,
orangey?
sunglasses on there.
Sorry, we're just like
Okay.
So I mean, I think the idea of like summer, like all
Yeah.
like summer, retro, like summertime.
like a 70s